Hey guys, it's me Jen, and I'm here with a new app that is going to be really helpful for you guys, the aspiring artists out there who have a hard time drawing hands. I'm making this video because I had a lot of really good feedback about my Easy Poser review and tutorial, and the one thing that I don't like about that particular app is that you have no control over the hands, and for me, hands are some of the hardest parts of the body to draw. So this is an app that I highly recommend if you're having trouble with hands. I think with hands there's so many different variables and moving parts that sometimes it can be really difficult to try to get everything to look exactly right. So this is a great app. It's called Hand Draw 3D. It is a free app. I am on the free version. There is a paid version, but I didn't pay for it. I'm just using the free version. So I want to show you guys real quick how to use this and give you a little bit of a review. I've tried a lot of other hand drawing apps, and in my opinion this one is the best. I am on the free version, which means there will be commercials that pop up occasionally. To me, it's no big deal. So I want to show you around this app real quick. If you look in the top right corner over here, you're going to see this little hand symbol. If you click on that, there are some poses available for you, and this is a really good selection of poses because it'll pretty much give you anything that you could possibly need for basic hand movements. This is a really good place to start if you're looking for something. So this is a good place to start. There are tons of different ones and they're all free, so you don't have to pay for that, and I think that that's super helpful. I'm going to keep this one going for now because honestly I like it. I think it's a fun one. If you go over here in the top left hand, you're going to see a settings. So you can change the color of your hand. So there's white, there's red, there is black, in case you would want that. This is something that looks a little bit more like an artist model, looks like clay. This one is really, really cool. It's kind of like a robot or like a molten metal. And there's another one, there's another one. So there's lots of different types of this one's a little good for like cartooning and stuff if you're into that. So no matter what kind of artist you are, you'll find something positive. You can also change the backgrounds, which is kind of cool. And then there's also grids. Grids are useful because you can use this to break down the hand and help you draw it a little bit easier. So that's another option. There's different size grids if you're into that. And then there's also different types of hands. So if you keep scrolling down, this is like the hand that would be on an artist's model or an artist doll, mannequin type hand. This is really good if you really want to get to know all the little digits perfectly. This is a skeleton, which I think is pretty useful if you're doing anything creepy or you want to study the anatomy of the hand. And then you have just the regular old hand. You also have a light source that you can turn on and off. You can put an object in the hand if you want to. There's not a ton of different things, but it helps. Oops. Sorry about that, guys. You can mirror the hand, so if it's a right hand or it's a left hand right now and you wanted to change it to a right hand, you can do that. So that's really useful because sometimes you need one or the other. It's not as responsive as Easy Poser. You really kind of have to tap to get things going. There's an FX thing to change different. I never really mess with this, you guys. I'm just going to be so real with you. There's a reset button, which is great. Rotate. And then all these other ones I don't mess with. There's an image thing, but you have to have the paid version in order to take a screenshot. So what I do to get around that is just to take a screenshot with my phone. So now that we have all of that stuff covered, I want to talk to you guys about how to manipulate each of the little digits of the fingers and the hand. So if you notice, there's this little triangle down here with 3 arrows. We're going to click on that. Once you click on that, then you can select a part of the hand. This is the palm. And then this will help you to kind of move it back and forth or side to side. Alright, you guys, so when you want to manipulate the hand in a more detailed way, you want to click on the lower left hand side, this little kind of triangle with the 3 arrows. Click on that and then you'll be able to select a different part of the hand. So you can select the palm and kind of move it around with these arrows, or you can, I'm just going to zoom in a little bit here, and we're going to select the fingers. So you can select each knuckle, which is really useful. Let's do this one right here. And then use this arrow to kind of maneuver it like that. It's not as easy as Easy Poser, but it's definitely useful. And you can get the hands into pretty much whatever pose is humanly possible by a human being. So it's pretty useful, and it helps you kind of get everything exactly the way you need it. And once you have your pose, then you just hit the check mark, and then you can twist the hand around however you need to. It's a little cumbersome, I'm not gonna lie. I haven't found a hand drawing software that's perfect. Like I said, this is the best one out of all of them. I personally think that this is super useful. Alright, you guys, that is this video. If you liked it, please do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any other drawing apps or any other artistic related apps that you'd like me to review, comment them below and I will do my best for you. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you like these types of videos. Hit the bell so you get notified. And I will see you in the next video.